Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the stages of personality development given by Sigmund Freud. So Sigmund Freud has given the 5 stages of personality development, that are: the first stage is oral stage, second is anal, the third is pelvic. Under the pelvic, two complexes arises, that is Oedipus and Electra. Fourth is latency, and the fifth is genital. So Sigmund Freud believed that the core aspect of personality are established early and remain stable throughout the life. It means that Sigmund Freud believed that the major part of the personality development takes place when the child is in the early stages of life. Now children, let us discuss about the stages given by Sigmund Freud. Now the first stage is oral stage, and this stage is between 0 to 1 years old children. A newborn child is born. His pleasure-seeking center is mouth. So it is through the mouth baby obtains food and reduces his hunger. Now oral gratification also takes place through feeding, thumb sucking, biting and babbling. If children at early stage does not get the care by mother, some children develop a belief that the world is a bitter place to live. So children, all these changes take place in the first stage of development. So in first stage, the major component is mouth. It is through the mouth that child reduces his hunger. Now talking about the second, anal stage. Now anal stage is between 2 to 3 years of old children. Now children, at this stage, a child is given training how he has to urinate and defecate. Pleasure-seeking center at this stage is moving bowel. Anal area of the body is pleasurable feeling. Some children under this stage tend to control their urination for a longer period to seek erotic pleasure. So children under the anal stage, some conflict also take place, as parents get worried, and tension also take place when bodily function like urination does not occur among children. So children in second stage, a child learns to control their bodily function. Now coming to the third stage, that is pelvic stage. At pelvic stage, children begin to realize the difference between male and female. So this stage arises between 4 years to 5 years. Awareness about the sexuality and understand the sexual relation between their parents also get developed. Now children, Sigmund Freud has talked about the two complexes that arises at the pelvic stage, that is Oedipus and Electra. Now at Oedipus was a Greek king who unknowingly killed his father. Now Oedipus, as being a boy, developed love for his mother. He killed his father because he developed castration anxiety. Now children, castration anxiety is anxiety in which a boy develops fear that his penis might be cut by father because he has developed attraction towards the mother. Now another complex is Electra complex. Now Electra was a Greek character as a girl who forced his brother to kill mother. Now in this complex, what happened? The girls got attracted towards the father, and girl's desire was to symbolically marry him and raise a family. In order to get affection from the father, girls started to copy behavior as of her mother used to behave in the similar manner. Now children, Sigmund Freud believed that if the resolution was not made, then fixation also take place. So after resolution was made, the boy gave up the sexual feeling towards the mother, and girl gave up their sexual desire for their father. Now coming to the fourth stage, that is latency stage. Now at latency stage, this stage is between 7 to until the puberty. At this stage, physical changes take place like height, beard, but sexual urges are relatively inactive. And at this stage, a child is more engaged in social activities like participating in other competitions. So all these changes take place in latency. Now coming to the last stage, that is genital stage. At this stage, psychosexual development takes place. People learn to deal with opposite sex in a socially and in sexually mature way. And at this stage, some children tend to remember the unpleasant consequences that occurred in the early stages of life. Now, children, according to Sigmund Freud, he believed that if the child development get arrested at an earlier stage, one may face fixation and regression is also seen. So, children, this is how Sigmund Freud has described the stages of personality on the basis of these stages. So, Sigmund Freud believed that as children grow in their ages, one or the another development also take place among children.